Not looking bad. This cheap glow is glue.
Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you are not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button. I am Jojo Final One. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today's makeup tutorial is for affordable makeup. So I will send product by Profusion. I mean some of their affordable makeup products on that. They do affordable makeup, that is what they do. They are affordable brands, so they send me some of their products to try out for this tutorial. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you want to see how I create this look using affordable makeup, stay tuned for this video, guys. So I'm going to start by using the Primark water by Primark here. So I'm going to use this Primark water to prime my face for the foundation. So I'll just leave that to soak into my skin. Foundation, because this is an affordable makeup tutorial. I'm using the Primark My Perfect Foundation, and the shade I'm using is called Amber Honey for the Primark foundation. For the L'Oreal True Match, I use the shade 8N Cappuccino. Two foundation together for this look. The reason why I'm missing it is that the L'Oreal True Match can be very oily on me. Does not last 3 hours. The primer gives a matte finish. Oh my god, I've applied too much foundation. Too much foundation. It's the beauty blender to blend today. Yeah. I've done review of the Primark foundation on my YouTube channel. The glow that you can see is from the L'Oreal True Match. Profusion. If I don't pronounce that right, please don't kill me. I'll leave the name on the video. The Profusion cosmetic products for this tutorial today. They sent me like lots of their product. The eyeshadow, their brow product, like here. It's so affordable, guys. The packaging, you will not ever tell that this is an affordable makeup. This palette is like £13 for this, and wait to see what is inside. Look at what you get. Look at this for £13. I'm going to use the Pro Eye 32 piece professional eye kit. So I'm going to use this one. Eyeshadow, primer, concealer, brow powder, brow cream, brushes, and eyeshadow. I'm going to take the shade Caramel. I'm going to mix that with the NYX double-sided concealer. I'm going to use the dark side to contour, then mix this side to highlight. So I'm using my hand to warm up the product. It's giving me good coverage, okay? But it's too light. Using the NYX concealer, I'll just apply that in between to calm down the white concealer. I am impressed. Not bad. I thought it would be so drying to blend out. And then I'm going to use the other side of the sponge that I used and apply the foundation. I'll use that to blend out any harsh line on my face. So to set that concealer in place, I'm going to use 2 setting powder. Because I'm doing affordable makeup, so I'm going to take something affordable. Yeah. So I'm going to use the W7 banana powder. I'll be mixing it with the Black Opera Deluxe powder in medium. So I'll mix these 2 powders together. Contour my cheekbone, I'm going to use same concealer by NYX. I'm going to use the darker shade. On the nose. I'll use the Retechnique powder blue brush in BO3. So I'm just blending out the edges. Yeah. I'm going to dust off the excess powder on the center of my face. I have their brow palette, and this goes for like £13. Paper that you need to define your brows has that right here. Then you have your brow powder. Then you have pencil, two pencil. They put a dark brown and a light brown. And you also have your brow spoolie. You have a brow primer. Then you have a brow, like you have a tweezer on here. Get it? The color that they have on the pencil is called ash brown. Let's pray this is not ashy. I like using pencil to define the brows first. Product right here, this cream. The Profusion eyeshadow primer, which looks like this. I'm going to use the eyeshadow primer to prime my lid. I'm going to use the concealer as an eyeshadow base with me. So I'll just tap that concealer. I'm going to be using the Pro palette, eyeshadows on this palette, and they comes with name. They come with the name. Affordable palette that has name. And some high-end can be bothered. They'll put it on that paper that you have to throw out. I'm going to take this. I'm using the brush that comes with the palette. Take this, the brush, blending it up. I'm not blending it up to the first color. To shimmer shade. It's beautiful. Oh. The Tyrian A eyeliner, I've been liking this. CP using the Profusion palette. This palette, like I said, is amazing. To use the gel liner on this palette, the black gel liner. The affordable face powder I can use, like I know is affordable, is the BH Cosmetic Pro Powder. Air Peace City color. So you can get this from eBay. This is the blush, and this is also a blush, but I use it to contour because it's a dark blush. So to spray my face with my Marble Rescue facial spray. Yeah, you can get this from Beauty Bay. I'm wearing yellow in winter. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Profusion Pro Highlighter. These are Pro Highlighter palette, and this is £13. So you have 3 brushes right here. Then you have 4 liquid highlighter. Then you have 8 matte highlighter, 8 powder highlighter. So how good is this? Rose gold. Mix it with this one. Mix everything. It's not looking bad. This cheap glow is glow. Blend out the hash line on my cheek. Profusion lip kit. It comes like this. You have lip liner, metallic lipstick, and the lipstick. This is not going to work. The lip liner is not going to work for my complexion. It's too nude. To use your brow pencil to line my lip. This is in the shade nude. So they sent me the nude kit. So apply this. This smells so nice. It's not a bad color if you use a brown lip liner. Yeah, it's a metallic at the center of the lip. And just dab it on the center of the lip. I'm going to use the 3 in A mascara. So guys, this is the final look of the makeup tutorial. I hope you like the makeup tutorial. I hope you check out the Profusion cosmetic. I'll leave their link at the description bar. Everything that you need to know will be at the description bar, guys. So I'm just in a hurry. I have to go. Give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.